Hi guys, Retro Django here. Welcome back to my channel. Well, it's Sunday and it's late and I have some time for having some fun with my old retro computers here. Well, I just took an Amiga 500, just a standard Amiga 500, but this one is strange, so let's take a closer look at it. But before we do, we have to put in this disc. This is a game called Vroom, but usually when I work with my Amigas and Commodore 64s, I love listening to SID tunes or crack intros. And this one is just one of my favorites. So let's just hear that in the background and check this Amiga 500 out. So, guys, yes, this is gonna be playing for some minutes, guys. I'm gonna make a quick video here because, as you can see, I just opened this Amiga 500, just a standard Amiga 500, and it's dusty as hell, not been used for many years. But if we look here, if we take a closer look, it says week 52 of 1991. So this is, maybe this one was sold in 92 when the Amiga 600 was sold. Everything says Amiga 500, but the main board says Amiga 500 plus. The plus had 1 meg of chip RAM. This one only have 512 kilobyte. This is a strange one. I mean, look at the fat bastard here, Fat Agnes. It's the 8375. That's also a newer version, but the kickstart is 1.3. It's not 2.0. This is a strange mix of machinery. And if we look over here, it says Amiga 500 plus 91, 92. So my guess is, well, Commodore, they wanted to make some more Amiga 500s, and this was just leftover. I mean, they just took the board from an Amiga 500 plus and just made half of the RAM here and old kickstart version, because as you can see here, it is the plus motherboard. There should the battery be installed, but as you can see on the soldering job, this board never had a battery. So my guess is, this board, if I install RAM chips here and having 1 meg of chip RAM and giving this the kickstart 2.0, then maybe this one will be exactly the same as an Amiga 500 plus, because I think all the chips are the newest revisions, because they're from 91, almost 1992. So this is a strange one, guys. I just want to share this one with you. Look, I got an Amiga 500 plus mainboard with 0 Vata battery damage. That's nice. But it goes like an Amiga 500. It's a strange one, guys. What does the revision say? Revision says revision 8A-1. Yeah, 8A-1. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining and look at this experience together with me, because this is a strange one. And thank you for listening for this awesome crack intro music. I just love it. So I'm gonna start cleaning this one. Until next time, play some Amiga, guys. Have a nice one. Bye.